Another day, another story. Here are 5 unexpected ways ancient animals used tools, showcasing their surprising ingenuity and adaptability. Welcome to Tabo Eminent Channel. 1. Otter-like creatures used rocks to crack shells. Fossil evidence suggests that early marine mammals, like the extinct inhaleoctos, may have used tools similarly to modern otters. These creatures likely used rocks or hard surfaces to crack open mollusks and crustaceans, demonstrating early tool use in aquatic environments. The idea of ancient otter-like creatures using rocks to crack open shells is rooted in the behaviors of their modern relatives. Today's sea otters, inhydrolutris, are famous for their remarkable tool use, such as balancing a rock on their chest while floating on their backs to smash open tough-shelled prey like clams and mussels. This behavior is one of the few documented instances of non-primates using tools in the wild. Fossil evidence and behavioral parallels suggest that their ancient ancestors, such as early pinnipeds or marine mammals like inhaleoctos, might have displayed similar ingenuity. These creatures lived millions of years ago during the late Oligocene to early Miocene and are considered precursors to modern seals, sea lions, and walruses. Their diets, often consisting of hard-shelled marine prey, might have necessitated the use of external aids like rocks. While direct evidence of tool use in these ancient creatures is challenging to find due to the absence of preserved behavior in the fossil record, their anatomy and ecological roles hint at the possibility. Studying modern otters helps paleontologists infer how early aquatic mammals might have interacted with their environment and solved problems using tools. 2. Ancient birds used bait for fishing. Some prehistoric birds, resembling today's herons, might have engaged in fishing by dropping small objects or bait into the water to attract fish. This behavior is mirrored by modern birds like green herons, showing a long evolutionary history of strategic hunting. The idea of ancient birds using bait for fishing comes from observing similar behaviors in modern birds and extrapolating backward based on fossil evidence and ecological context. Modern birds like green herons and pied kingfishers are known to exhibit a clever strategy. They drop objects such as feathers, leaves, or even insects onto the water's surface to lure fish closer, making them easier to catch. This behavior is called bait fishing and is a rare but fascinating example of avian tool use. For ancient birds, particularly those living in aquatic or semi-aquatic environments millions of years ago, this behavior might have also been advantageous. Prehistoric birds resembling herons or storks, such as the presbyornithids, an ancient group of wading birds, or even early members of the heron family, likely had similar ecological niches and hunting challenges. By using naturally available materials like floating leaves or insects, they could have increased their hunting success. While direct fossil evidence of bait use in ancient birds is not available, their brain structures and ecological behaviors, deduced from fossilized remains and modern relatives, suggest they were capable of such problem-solving strategies. The evolution of intelligence in birds, particularly in corvids and certain waders, supports the idea that these behaviors have deep evolutionary roots. 3. Elephant-like gomphotheres manipulated vegetation. The extinct gomphotheres, ancient relatives of modern elephants, likely used their trunks and tusks to manipulate branches, strip bark, or dig for water. These behaviors resemble the advanced tool use capabilities observed in today's elephants. Impact on ecosystems. By manipulating vegetation, gomphotheres would have played a significant role in shaping their ecosystems. Their activities could have created clearings, dispersed seeds, and provided resources for other species, much as modern elephants act as ecosystem engineers. This ecological influence underscores the advanced intelligence and adaptability of these ancient giants. 4. Prehistoric primates crafted and used tools. Fossilized bones and stone tools suggest that some of our ancient primate ancestors, like Australopithecus afarensis, may have used sticks to extract termites or stones to break open nuts. This early tool use laid the groundwork for human technological evolution. The use of tools by prehistoric primates marks a pivotal moment in evolutionary history, showcasing the early development of intelligence and problem-solving skills. Evidence of tool use has been found in several ancient primates, including early hominins, revealing their surprising ingenuity and adaptability. Evidence of tool use in prehistoric primates, stone tools by early hominins. Fossil sites, such as those in Olduvai Gorge, Tanzania, have revealed stone tools dating back 2.6 million years. These tools, attributed to species like Australopithecus afarensis or early members of the genus Homo, were used for tasks such as cutting meat off bones, cracking open nuts or marrow-filled bones, shaping wood for digging or other purposes, digging sticks. And primates likely used sticks to dig for roots or extract insects, behavior seen in modern chimpanzees. While wooden tools do not fossilize well, evidence of similar behavior has been inferred from wear patterns on bones and fossilized termite mounds near ancient primate sites. Hammerstones. Early primates used rocks as hammers to smash open nuts, bones, or shells. Fossilized hammerstones, often with wear patterns indicating repeated use, provide direct evidence of this practice. Significance of tool use. Tool use represents a cognitive leap, requiring foresight, planning, and the ability to manipulate objects. It reflects a deeper understanding of cause and effect, as well as the ability to adapt tools to specific needs. Increased brain development. The use of tools is closely tied to the development of larger brains in hominins. This adaptation allowed for more complex problem-solving and social interactions. Parallels with modern primates. Modern primates, such as chimpanzees and orangutans, provide insights into how early primates might have used tools. These species use sticks to fish for termites, select stones to crack nuts, modify branches to use as spears or other tools. This continuity underscores the long-standing importance of tools in primate evolution, connecting ancient practices to modern ingenuity. 5. Beaver-like creatures use trees strategically. Ancient beaver-like animals, such as castoroids, giant beavers, may have felled trees and constructed rudimentary lodges or dams, similar to their modern descendants. This suggests that tool-based habitat modification has deep evolutionary roots. These examples highlight how ancient animals creatively adapted their environment using available tools, often in ways that foreshadowed modern species behaviors. Ecosystem impact. By strategically using trees and modifying their environment, these creatures likely played a key role in shaping their ecosystems, creating wetland habitats. Tree felling and dam building would have created ponds and wetlands, supporting diverse plant and animal life. Seed dispersal. Their manipulation of trees may have contributed to the spread of certain plant species. Evolutionary context. The behaviors of modern beavers provide a glimpse into how castoroids might have lived. However, due to its massive size, up to 8 feet long and weighing over 200 pounds, it may have employed different strategies or required fewer structures for protection. Regardless, its ability to use trees strategically highlights a long evolutionary tradition of environmental engineering in beaver-like species. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.